Hello and welcome to another video. Let's find the values of A, B and C. Okay, we are given this equation that is 2 raised to the power of A plus 2 raised to the power of B plus 2 raised to the power of C equals to 200. Now the value of A must be less than B and that of B must be less than C. Okay, so which means the smallest value will be the value of letter A according to this statement. All right, so now to be able to find the value of A, B, and C, the first thing I'm going to do is to divide the left-hand side by 2 raised to the power of A. Okay, and that will be 2 raised to the power of A divided by 2 raised to the power of A, that will be 1. Then plus 2 raised to the power of B divided by 2 raised to the power of A. Okay, then plus 2 raised to the power of C divided by 2 raised to the power of A. Now, if I distribute 2 raised to the power of A into this parenthesis, into this addition, I'm going to get the same thing as what we have in the original equation. Then all of this will be equals to 200. Now, what to do next is to break this into 2. That is to express 200 as a product of two numbers, one of which must be even and the other of which must be what? Odd. That is product of even and odd number. So, and that will be 8 times 25. So this is 2 raised to the power of A, parenthesis 1 plus 2 raised to the power of B over 2 raised to the power of A plus 2 raised to the power of C over 2 raised to the power of A equals to 8 multiplied by 25. Okay, now this is even. This is even. Why this will be odd? This is even. Then this is odd. So I'm going to equate the even, okay? So even equals to even on the right hand side, okay? So that 2 raised to the power of A will be equals to 2 raised to the power of 3 because 8 is 2 raised to the power of 3. Then in this case, the value of A will be what? Will be equals to 3. All right, so this is the value of A. Then also I'm going to equate odd on the left hand side with that on the right hand side. So odd, which is left hand side, equals to odd, which is on the right hand side. So on the left hand side, that is 1 plus 2 raised to the power of B divided by 2 raised to the power of A. Now we have the value of A to be 3. So this will be 2 raised to the power of 3. Then we also have plus 2 raised to the power of C divided by 2 raised to the power of 3, okay, equals to, so this will be 25. Then I'm going to carry this one over to the right hand side so that this will be 2 raised to the power of B plus 2 raised to the power of C over 8. Remember, 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. That is because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, okay? And we have a common denominator of 2 raised to the power of 3. So which means I will just add the numerator and divide it by the common denominator of 8. So this will be equals to 25 minus 1. Okay, so that this will be, the left hand side will be 2 raised to the power of B plus 2 raised to the power of C. Let me multiply. Okay, this will be 8 multiplied by 24. Of course, that is multiplying both sides. Okay, multiplying both sides by 8. I just multiply both sides by 8. Okay, so that 8 will cancel 8. Then this will reduce to 2 raised to the power of B plus 2 raised to the power of C equals to, now this is going to be 2 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 3 times 3. Now remember, 8 times 3 is 24. So 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. So I will combine this, okay? So when we combine this, this will be 2 raised to the power of 6 multiplied by 3. Okay, so we have the left hand side to be 2 raised to the power of B plus 2 raised to the power of C. Now, again, to obtain the value of B, I'm going to divide the left hand side by 2 raised to the power of B. So we have 2 raised to the power of B divided by 2 raised to the power of B. That will be 1. Then plus 2 raised to the power of C over 2 raised to the power of b. Okay, and this will be equals to 2 raised to the power of 6 multiplied by 3. So that this will be even, then this will be odd. This is even. Okay, then this is odd. So I will equate even, which is on the left hand side, with even, which is on the right hand side, and that's 2 raised to the power of 6. So this will be 2 raised to the power of b equals to 2 raised to the power of 6. So from here, the value of b will be equals to 6. The value of b will be equals to 6. So again, I'm going to equate odd on the left hand side with odd on the right hand side. So on the left hand side is 1 plus 2 raised to the power of c divided by 2 raised to the power of b equals to 3. Which is what we have here, equals to 3. So I'm going to carry this 1 over to the other side, so that this will be 2 raised to the power of c divided by 2 raised to the power of b equals to 3 minus 1. Now let's not forget that the value of b is now 6. So this will be 2 raised to the power of c over 2 raised to the power of 6 equals to 2. So now I can cross multiply, so that this will be 2 raised to the power of c equals to 2 raised to the power of 6 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 1. Then 2 raised to the power of c will be equals to 2 raised to the power of 6 plus 1. So that 2 raised to the power of c will be equals to 2 raised to the power of 7. So that the value of c will be 7. So c is equals to 7. Now let's quickly verify. We have 2 raised to the power of a plus 2 raised to the power of b plus 2 raised to the power of c equals to 200. Now I'm going to plug in the values of a, b, and c. Okay, and let's see if after plugging in the values and adding the exponents, or adding them together, then are we going to get 200, which is on the right hand side. Now we have a to be 3, b to be 6, and c to be 7. So 2 raised to the power of 3, 2 raised to the power of 6, and then 2 raised to the power of 7. Now, is this going to be equals to 200? 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. This is 64. Then this one will be 128. Is this equals to 200? Okay, so 64 plus 8, that will be 72. 72 plus 128. This is 72 plus 128. That will be equals to 200. Verified. So just like what we have here, the value of a is 3, the value of b is 6, and the value of c is 7. So which means the value of a is less than the value of b, and that of b is less than the value of c. Okay, and so the three values which satisfies this equation, that is the value of a, b, and c, which satisfies the equation are 3, 6, and 7, which are the values of a, b, and c respectively. The noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. Bye-bye.